Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at Jan van Haasteren puzzles. Puzzling, you say? Is this 2020? Well, yes it is, because of the coronavirus, puzzling suddenly is hot again. Even me, someone who actually has never puzzled in his life, started puzzling and I actually enjoy it quite a bit. So I bought these Jan van Haasteren puzzles, and Jan van Haasteren is a Dutch cartoonist who is already he's 84 years old and active for like 40-50 years, and he's still going strong. As you can see, you got many different puzzles. This one is the Formula 1 in Zandvoort. Probably will not happen this year because this would be the first edition in many years. And it's really fun, it's really detailed. This one is 1,000 pieces, but you also have 400 pieces, 300 pieces, and even 5,000 pieces if you want to go up. Once you get the box, this is inside, a plastic bag with puzzling pieces. And I also got this one. This is the art exhibition. This was the first one I completed. Took me a long time. I think longer than a week. So it's fun for a long time. I do it a couple of hours every day, 1 or 2, and it's fun. This one is the holiday exhibition, vacation exhibition, really cool. And this one was, of course, the Zandvoort. So what's fun about Jan van Haasteren is that he makes these jokes in every puzzle. So for example, this shark fin, it actually shows up in every puzzle. And you got Sinterklaas and Zwarte Piet, Black Pete and Sinterklaas. It's our version of Santa Claus, and they are also in all puzzles. And he also has a really, characteristic drawing style. As you can see, it's quite hard because a lot of stuff looks like each other, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. And I can advise you buy this stuff because it's really fun. It clears your head. It's not even expensive. One puzzle is like 15 euros. Well, you can miss that, I hope, for countless hours of fun. And I guess if I'm gonna do this next year again, then I already forgot where all the pieces are supposed to be. You also got these little plastic bags from the puzzle store. And what it actually is you can put your puzzle pieces in there because the bag inside the box is disposable. You can't use it again. So I also got this really cool notepad for free because I ordered 2 puzzles at the same time, so they probably were hyped about me. Well, thanks for watching. Please buy a puzzle and please subscribe. I'm gonna rank this 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching.